Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Notepad++ on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead, open up your browser, and on Google, search download Notepad++. Then just go to the first website. Then just download whatever version you want. For example, let's say I want this version, Notepad++ version 8.7.7. And just click on it, and after that just click on download. As you can see, the Notepad software has been downloaded. Just open up this installer, click on yes. You can minimize this, then just go ahead and select your language. I'm gonna select English and click on OK. Then just click on next again, and select where you want to install it and click on next. Then select if you want to change anything or click on next. Either you can create a desktop shortcut if you want, you can see the installation details if you want, or just click on install. And as you can see, Notepad++ has been installed. Keep this checked and click on finish. This will open up Notepad++ for you. You can just close this. And basically that is how to download and install Notepad++ on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.